Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a Western Electric 2500 desk telephone. This is Jeff's equipment from Ohio. This is the initial checkout of this telephone, and we have a note with this unit. It has some issues, and his wife really likes this telephone, wants to use it as her main telephone, and it's in a cool color, and we want to run through some of the issues. Now, on the receive side, when they pick up this unit, sometimes it has low volume, so we want to look into that issue, and we want to go ahead and give you a look at the unit. We have the cover loose, so we want to go ahead and remove the cover here. We'll set that to the side and give you a look at the inside of this unit. Now we have a little bit of work that has been done on this unit in the past, and we want to remove that. We're going to be installing a modular port that will fit in the unit a little better than what we have here. There is an issue with the cover of this unit, and it has been cut out a little bit. So we need to take a look at that situation and try to fill that up a little bit, because the modular port is not going to fit properly in that cutout that's been cut out a little more for this larger modular port. So we're going to take care of that issue. We also want to go through our network. We want to make sure that everything is proper at the network. We'll check our keypad, but basically we're looking for the issue of a low receive sometimes. Not each time, but sometimes it'll have low receive. So we want to troubleshoot that, and then we'll take care of our modular port issue and the cover that has been taken out a little bit to fit this larger modular port. So we're going to go ahead and start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Western Electric 2500 set. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this 2500 desk telephone, and we're going to walk through a little bit about what's going on. Now, we also want to replace our modular port for our handset cord. It's broke, and we want to go ahead and replace that. Plus, we have connections here that are famous for causing bad connections, and so what we want to do is we want to show that. If you follow back some of these wires, this will be our red one, then our green one. We can go ahead and take our white one out. Follow our last one back. We'll get rid of that also. This modular port is broken, and we're just going to replace it. But these connections that went to are famous for causing bad connections. And for those who have never seen a connection point like this, what they do is they have two spade connectors, and they're supposed to tuck inside these little contact boxes or connection points, and they really are just nothing more than a bad connection point. I don't know why they ever used them, but they do, and so now we're going to get rid of them. Now, if we have to make any connections at all, we're going to make solder point connections, so everything will be soldered together. There will be no bad connections after we're finished with it, and we'll go ahead and start that process right now, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool 2500 set. So we'll take a short break and We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this 2500 set desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. But we also want to mention that we'll do a couple of still pictures of the modular handset port that we installed in the unit and the line port that we installed in the unit. And earlier in the video, we mentioned that the cover had actually been cut out a little larger than normal, so we had to take care of that issue, and you'll see that in the picture. Now, we also went through the bad connections. That was taken care of. The network was checked. The keypad, our receive, our transmit, and our handset cord, we re-crimped the modular plugs on that. So a little bit of everything had been gone through. Now, also, this telephone is a used unit, and it's been dropped a few times, and the corners had some issues. So we did a little bit of stabilizing the corners, and so that's been taken care of. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. So we'll go ahead and use the analyzer, and we're going to ring the unit. So we'll send a ring cycle. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Now I have an amplifier backed by the video for our pickup, and I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll call that number.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 12th. The time is 12:04. Current temperature 46 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Showers and thunderstorms today with highs around 60, temperatures falling through the 50s by midday, then near steady temperatures in the afternoon. Colder tonight, mostly cloudy, a chance of rain showers, and partly cloudy after midnight, lows in the mid-30s. Sunny on Tuesday, highs in the upper 50s.
We can hang our unit up, give you some dial tone, we'll call my number and it'll be busy. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this 2500 desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Jeff and they can enjoy this telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.